Bakit ba pabalik-balik lagi ang problema? Bakit hindi umaalis, lalo lang lumalala at dumadami? Why? It is because, like most people, ang tinitreat natin ay ang symptoms. Yan. Kaya, hindi na susolusyonan. So, what should be the approach dapat? Siyempre, kung doktor ka, alamin mo talaga ano yung punot dulo or ano yung root cause of the problem. Right? Pag ito lagi ang approach mo, mas madali kang makahanap ng solusyon at mas lalo mong pinapatibay ang iyong negosyo. Why? Because you can use this to assess ang skill level, ang experience at maturity, ang know-how ng iyong mga tao. Right? So after this short presentation, you'll be more equipped with this timeless technique at magiging strategic ang iyong mga galaw. Kasi wala tayong choice. Habang lumalaki yung ating negosyo, lumalaki yung ating organization, there will always be problems. But if you continue to attack the problem at lagi mo itong tinitingnan symptoms at hindi dito, then instead of the problem becoming an opportunity, ang problem nagiging sanhi ng iyong business or organization's collapse. So listen very well, napaka-simple ito pero grabe jud sa ka-effective. Dati-rati, ito yung aking approach. Right now, I use this method. Ang tawag dito is 7-up. 7-up para madali mong ma-recall. Okay? 7-up. Move natin to konti para merong space dyan. Alright, 7-up. Ano to? You just need to ask 7 whys. Alright? Until you get to the root cause of the problem. Right? Try natin ha. Napakasimple. So, halimbawa, this is one application, no? Meron kang staff. Tanungin mo siya. Okay? Ano kaya ang reason? Problema natin. Problema natin ngayon, mahina yung ating benta. Right? So, using 7-up methods, you just need to ask, why 7 times? Ano ibig sabihin ng up? Because pag ito ginawa mong process, one root cause will go up, will surface, at doon ka mag-focus ng iyong mga gagawing solusyon or strategy. Example, walang benta. Tanungin mo siya. Usually, ang sagot dyan is, wala mo good tayo customer. Okay? No customer. Then you ask another why. Kasi, sir, wala mo good talaga ads. Wala tayong advertisement eh. Really? Wala advertisement? Why? Kasi last time nag-meeting, sabi kasi, hindi ito priority. Not a priority. Bakit hindi priority? Kasi hindi ito kasama sa budget ngayong quarter. Bakit hindi kasama sa budget ang ating ads? Kasi ang budget kasi depende, ang chairman kasi ang may ano sir may say. Okay, chairman. Anong sabi ni chairman? Bakit hindi yan binibigyan ng budget? Kasi according to our chairman, hindi tayo dapat mag-focus sa mga bagong customer. Dapat, ang gawin natin is, i-revive natin yung ating mga old customer. O bakit hindi na-revive yung old customer? Kasi wala tayong system sa pag-revive ng ating mga old customer. You see guys? So, isn't this better na approach versus magmatik-matik lang kadiya nga maghatag sa solusyon or mag-come up sa imuang strategy without knowing the root cause of the problem? System. Wala tayong pamamaraan to contact our old customers. So with this method, tingnan mo tong beauty na to hindi lang what ang nalungkat mo na reason. Kundi, dito, in this process, you learned who? Si chairman. Sometimes the problem is not what. And also, nakita mo dito, system, it's the how. It's not the what. The root cause of the problem pala dahil wala tayong benta kasi hindi natin alam. We have no system in place. Okay? To contact our old customers. Sabi ni chairman. Because kung meron tayo ganyan, then we can allocate budget. Kasi itong mga old customers natin, nakabuild na tayo ng relationships. Suki na natin yan. So they have more chances na bumili sa atin ulit rather than acquiring new customers. Tama si chairman, di ba? Kaya hindi natin siya priority. Kaya hindi tayo nag-a-ads. Therefore, wala tayong customer, wala tayong benta. Alright. So you can use this in multiple ways. Okay? Or, hindi natin nasama dito, baka ang problema pala is when. Tingnan mo hindi siya budget, hindi siya priority ngayong quarter. So it's also a problem of when. So the more you do this, the more you explore, the more you will find the root cause of the problem. And also, the more mo na-educate ang iyong staff or ang iyong empleyado. In his own understanding, alam niya pala, nalaman niya na, ay, ito pala yung mga problema. And this is what I can do to help this problem solved in my own understanding and capacity and resources base sa aking roles and functions. Ito pala yung mga reasons kung bakit na wala tayong benta. See? So kung siya, pinadaan mo sa ganitong proseso, nalaman niya na ito pala yung reason, mas invested siya ngayon na isolve ang problema na yan. Right? So hopefully you find this valuable, and if meron ka pang idagdag kung paano to siya gawin na much better, mas efficient, comment below. At kung ano pa yung pwede nito na application, comment below. Share to us your experience, your ideas. And if you want more of this, subscribe to our channel. para lalo tayo ma-encourage to come up with simple trainings na katulad nito. So my name is Marvin Alegre. If you like to discuss this with your organization, if you want to improve your customer service, if you want to develop your people and your employees, this is one of the best methods, one of the best strategies. And we can help you do that if you message us. And let's work together. So see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and engage with our content. Thank you.